I just want you to know that everything is clean.
Yes.
And the show will start anytime.
Yes, good. That's very good. Sir, yung mga bisita po, nandito na po sila lahat. Oh, they're here. Naku, I'm so excited. Excuse me, pero we can start siguro mga 2.
Okay, I will just talk to the models. Okay?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Mr. Lopez, the top fashion editor, Miss Jennifer, the top fashion blogger. I'd like to formally introduce myself. My name is the Impossible Michael Five. Hindi yun ay tatanong related ako kay Impalpable Michael Cinco. Yes, bali, third cousin siya nung kapitbahay, nung pinsan nung tatay ng lola ko sa Vietnam, na umuwi ng Batangas, tapos tumira sa Tagaytay for a few days. That's how we're related.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Me too.
Well, now you do know, and I'm so glad na nakarating kayo dito. Kasi kayo talaga mga top names pagdating sa fashion. Lagi ako nagbabasa ng column nyo. At saka yung website mo, lagi ko pinabasa yung mga vlog mo. So I'm proud and I'm really glad na kayo ay nakapunta dito sa aking fashion show.
That's okay. You know, Michael, I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Oh, really?
And we're so honored na maimbitahan dito dahil we're the ones na makakakita ng mga bagong collection.
And I'm sure meron ka na namang bagong fashion.
Oh, yes. I agree.
Sa buong mundo. Di ba?
Hindi naman, but yes. Kasi talaga, pinaghirapan ko talaga mga creations na to. First time makikita sa buong mundo.
We are so excited.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
I'm ecstatic.
Ako rin. And sana makakagawa kayo ng magandang write-up.
Definitely.
My producer.
Yes,
Sir Michael,
Yes.
we're ready.
We're ready. Oh, the show's
my
about
God.
to start.
Oh my God.
Take your seats, please. And enjoy the show.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
We're ready? Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan! Welcome sa Fashion Fusion ni Michael Five, Maestro!
Nice intro.
Design. As you can see, parang common yung pants niya. Pero mamaya you will see pag turn niya, there's a twist in the end.
Oh, I like it.
Yes. Look, and there you go.
Wow. So nice. I am sure all the girls will love this one.
Yes, sana nga maging viral because I call it the Kuyo Cute.
Oh!
Yes, because you can see the reveal of the Kuyo Cute.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very cute.
This is such an adrenaline pumping.
Yes. No, this is my second design. My second design
Whoa, nice.
is I call this the backfighter.
Backfighter.
See?
Wow. Genius. You're a genius. Wow, I like it.
See? Yes, it's the backfighter kasi yung likod niya parang nakipag-away na. See? It's formal at the front, party at the back. Wow! Itong third design ko, you can see naman.
Wow.
Gorgeous. Yes. I call this one the Burarat.
Why Burarat?
Well, inspired ito ng true story galing sa aking friend na medyo may pagkaburara, nakakalat yung damit niya, nginat-ngat ng daga.
Oh, I see.
That's why I call it the Burarat.
You know what? This very creative.
Yes.
So talented.
Wow.
I agree.
Thank you.
I definitely.
Thank you. Binuhos ko talaga
My God.
dahil sa paggawa niyang creation ko.
Casting show.
Look at that.
And
I have a selfie, of course.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah. What's real? What do you call real? What's real?
yes, wait, guard. Wait, sandali na.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko model yan. Hindi ko design yan. Taong grasa yan. Oo. Ulihin mo, nakapasok taong grasa. Taong grasa.